everyone, and welcome to Simple Marketing Academy. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jill Fox, and I'm the owner of Fox Social Media. And my company's been helping businesses, practices, and brands to both market and grow online for about 10 years now. And I'm so thrilled to have Simple Marketing Academy so that I can help all those very small business owners who don't have the budget for an agency like Fox Social Media to learn to do it themselves in an ultra successful manner.
We are going to create a Facebook business page, and we are going to start by logging into your personal Facebook page. What you want to do is come back over here to the create and create a page. Now, for most of us, we're going to use the business or brand setting. That basically covers everything except the few things in this community and public figure category, like a team or a club or a group or something that's part of your community. You would use this. So most of us, again, are going to use business or brand. So we hit get started. And then we're going to name the page. Now, I'm going to create a page for my podcast, my blog, and my YouTube channel, which all fall under the same name. So I actually do have a business DBA under this name, and I'm going to create it here. It's called The Small Business Social. And then I'm going to give it a category. Well, I want to say training because that's what I do on here, but they don't give me a good option for that. So it really doesn't work. So I'm going to go up to marketing because that's what I teach on here. I'm not an agency, but we're just going to, so I do own an agency, but this page isn't for that agency. So this is more training. So I'm just going to pick the marketing and advertising company. As you can tell, you can't just type something in. You have to select from the drop-down menu of what Facebook gives you. Don't go too crazy over this. It's not too big a deal. Now, for your address, I work from home, so I don't really want to put my home address in there. But let me tell you what I did. I did get a box, a P.O. box, not at the post office, but at a mail center. So I can actually give out my address. I can get mail and packages there, and it actually is a physical street address too. So I can put that in right here. Now, this as well, if you don't want to give out your personal phone, you can leave this blank. Now, I can say, don't show my address. If you're putting in your home address, don't show it. Click this box. You don't want everybody to know your personal, where you live and all. Now mine, being it's a mail center, it's fine. It's on my website and all. So once I finish, I hit continue. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is upload your profile picture. That is the little square or round picture that everybody sees next to your name when you're listed somewhere. So you want this to be your logo. And you want this to be exactly the same on every piece of social media, every platform, everywhere, on your website, everywhere, and you don't want to change it, okay? This is your logo, essentially, so, okay. And I created these in a program called Canva, Canva.com. It is completely free, and it's for people like me who have zero graphic design skill, but it enables us to very easily click and drag and create small graphics, and I'll teach you how to do that in another video too. So next, we're going to upload a cover photo. That's this big rectangle. This can change. This can show your products, a sale you're having, your new line, your new location, a photo for the holidays. You can change this however you want. Just don't change the profile picture, that little square. So right now, I am going to upload a little dual one. I don't even know if this is going to fit, but we'll give it a shot. So here you go. As you can see, my image needs to be fixed a little bit. It works perfect as a square, but it's too big as a circle. So all I have to do is bring it in a little bit and make it fit better. Same with this. This isn't fitting perfectly, so I've got to use the dimensions. Inside of Canva, it will tell you the dimensions for these things as well. So those are the things you want to do. Now, your page is created, and I want you to, after watching this video, I want you to go back and create your own page.
If you need more help learning about marketing, please jump into Simple Marketing Academy for free for 30 days. Just jump in for free. Take a look around and see if this community will work for you. There are courses inside that walk you through the videos step by step on how to set up your marketing and how to execute it. There is a community of other small business owners. There's my resource list of all the different resources that I use in my own business and the ones I highly recommend. And we're going to be doing weekly Q&A calls where you can just jump on Zoom and ask me questions that pertain directly to your own business, and I can help you there as well. So again, if you'd like to do that, click the link below in the description and you will be able to jump into Simple Marketing Academy for free for 30 days. So if this information is helpful and you want more in-depth information about small business marketing, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you again in the next episode.